DJI is once again making waves in the action camera world, this time with the rumored release of the DJI Osmo Nano. This compact camera, recently spotted in the FCC database, appears to be the brand's most portable action cam yet. On the other hand, the DJI Osmo Action 2, which launched earlier, brought a modular and flexible design to the market. Though it was innovative, DJI eventually moved back toward more traditional form factors with later models. Still, the Action 2 remains a unique and powerful camera, especially for those who value a compact setup with modular expansion options. So what's new? One of the biggest talking points about the DJI Osmo Nano is its tiny size. As the name Nano suggests, DJI seems to be targeting the smallest possible form factor while still packing in useful features. The goal appears to be direct competition with other miniature action cams like the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and Insta360 Go 3S, which are known for their thumb-sized bodies. Though the exact dimensions aren't confirmed, rumors point to a two-part system: one main camera unit and one detachable screen or display module. If true, this would mean the Osmo Nano is not only small but also flexible, with potential for magnetic mounting, similar to the Action 2. This magnetic approach allows quick swaps and fast reconfiguration for creators on the move. The Osmo Action 2 also went with a modular system. Its camera unit measures 39mm by 39mm by 22mm and weighs just 56 grams, making it extremely pocket-friendly. However, its design was met with mixed reviews. While some loved the flexibility, others found the modules a bit awkward to manage, especially during fast-paced shooting. It seems DJI may be refining this idea in the Osmo Nano, trimming down the setup even further and possibly improving heat dissipation and usability. Two areas where the Action 2 had its challenges. The DJI Osmo Action 2 is equipped with a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor, which is quite large for an action camera. This allows it to capture 12-megapixel still photos and record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion footage. The 155-degree field of view offers a wide-angle look, which is great for action sports, vlogging, and immersive shots. While the exact specs of the Osmo Nano's sensor haven't been leaked, early speculation hints at something smaller than the Action 2 in order to keep the overall camera body compact. However, there are also rumors of advanced AI image processing that might help make up for a smaller sensor by enhancing footage digitally. If this is true, the Nano may still deliver surprisingly high-quality video, especially for casual creators and social media users who prioritize ease of use and fast sharing over cinematic detail. In short, if sensor size and raw image quality are your top priorities, the Osmo Action 2 likely still has the edge. But if DJI's AI and stabilization features are as strong as rumored in the Nano, the difference might not be as noticeable for everyday users. When it comes to recording video, the DJI Osmo Action 2 offers a broad range of options. Its headline features include 4K recording at 60 frames per second, slow-motion 4K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second for ultra-slow motion. It also supports time-lapse recording, and it's well known for its Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady stabilization systems that make footage smooth even during high-movement activities. The Osmo Nano is expected to match or closely follow these capabilities. While nothing has been confirmed yet, it's reasonable to expect at least 4K at 60 frames per second, along with AI-enhanced stabilization. Rumors suggest the Nano may feature an updated stabilization engine, which could rival or even outperform Rocksteady 3.0 in keeping video shake-free. If DJI also includes new framing options or smart features powered by artificial intelligence, like automatic horizon leveling or subject tracking, The Nano could offer a more seamless experience for creators who want to spend less time editing and more time shooting. Both cameras seem focused on providing top-tier stabilization, a crucial feature for action cams. The Osmo Action 2 already does a great job in this area, with DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 making sure videos are stable, whether you're biking, snowboarding, or filming on foot. Horizon Steady helps keep the horizon level, even if the camera tilts or rotates during a shot. The Osmo Nano is expected to take this even further. With rumors of AI-powered stabilization, DJI may be building on what it learned from Action 2 and newer Osmo Action models. A combination of smart gyroscopes, real-time processing, and machine learning algorithms might mean the Nano delivers smooth footage without much user input at all. For creators looking to film and share instantly, whether they're vloggers, athletes, or drone pilots, this could make a huge difference in workflow and reliability. Battery life has always been a concern with tiny action cameras, and the Osmo Action 2 is no exception. Its 1300 mAh battery powers the main unit for about 52 minutes of continuous shooting. When paired with the front screen module, users gain additional battery life, though this also adds bulk and weight. The Action 2 also suffered from overheating issues, especially during high-resolution recording. This led to short shooting times and some user frustration. DJI seems aware of this, and if the Nano does bring improved thermal design, it could be a much more reliable device for longer shoots. The smaller form factor of the Osmo Nano may limit battery size, but better heat control and optimized power usage could give it an edge in real-world usage. If DJI strikes the right balance, the Nano could be both longer-lasting and safer to use during extended sessions. The DJI Osmo Action 2 originally launched with a relatively high price tag due to its modular features, coming in around $400 with accessories. Over time, it became more affordable, but it still sits in the mid to high range of the action cam market. While pricing for the Osmo Nano hasn't been revealed, it's expected to come in lower than the flagship Osmo Action 4, which retails for around $270. This could put the Nano at a more accessible price point, possibly under $250, which would be attractive to beginners and everyday users who don't need a full professional rig. DJI seems to be targeting a different audience this time. People who want a simple, pocket-sized, yet powerful camera that can be taken anywhere. Whether it's for skateboarding clips, travel vlogs, or FPV drone footage, the Nano may become the go-to tool for content creators who want power without complexity. The DJI Osmo Action 2 brought innovation and power with its modular design and high-end specs, but it also came with compromises like overheating and complex add-ons. Meanwhile, the rumored DJI Osmo Nano looks to simplify the action cam experience with a smaller size, better heat handling, and smart features, possibly at a lower price. If you're looking for maximum image quality, frame rate options, and customization, the Osmo Action 2 is still a solid choice. But if you prefer a lightweight, easy-to-use, and pocketable camera with modern AI features and solid stabilization, the Osmo Nano might be the better fit, especially if DJI delivers on its promises.